Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in FlyScoot account on PC. To log in FlyScoot account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar at top and type www.flyscoot.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of FlyScoot. Now here you can see the profile icon at top right section of the website. Click on profile icon. Then here you can see the login page. Now here you can see you can log in through two processes. One is through KrisFlyer PPS Club and another is through registered user. If you choose KrisFlyer, then by continuing you agree and acknowledge that your KrisFlyer membership information will be disclosed and processed by Scott. So to log in, click on login with KrisFlyer. Now here you need to first enter your membership number or email address on the given box. Then you need to enter the password of your account. After that, if you want your credentials to be remembered, you can click on Remember Me box. If you are having trouble signing in, then you can click on Need Help Logging In. Similarly, if you forgot your membership number, then you can click on Forgot Your KrisFlyer membership number. After entering all your credentials, click on Log In. With that, you'll be able to log in FlyScoot account with the help of your KrisFlyer account or your PPS Club. If you want to choose Registered User method to log in, then you need to click on Register User option. Then here you need to enter your email address that you have used to create your account. Then you need to enter your password of your account. If you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot option near the password. Similarly, if you want your information to be remembered, then you can click on Remember Me box. After entering all your credentials, click on Log In. With that, you'll be logged in to your FlyScoot account. This is how we can log in to FlyScoot. As you can see here, my account Hanet Noah has been logged in. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.